Take a walk, ride a bike, or drive through any neighborhood in America and focus on the rooftops. In addition to the normal ventilation devices, roofs in America are covered with satellite TV dishes. And in many cases, as homeowners or renters change or cancel their satellite TV providers or switch to cable TV, the universal mounts that hold the dishes are left behind. The satellite TV providers and their third-party contract installers will not remove the mounts because removing the mounts exposes the holes left behind from the lag bolts. These holes can lead to leaking roofs and costly repairs for the homeowner. In time, exposed brackets will lose their seal due to the breakdown of the sealant and start drawing moisture, which can become leaks, and abandoned dishes are even worse because of the leverage action from wind. With tens of millions of satellite dish installations in the United States alone, homeowners are left in a no-win situation with mounts that are a potential costly liability. Leaks require a roofer to come out to remove the bracket and feather in newer roof shingles that will never color match the sun and weather-faded shingles covering the rest of the roof. Having a roofer out can be expensive, and the patch job will be obvious. The solution? The Universal Bracket Cover by River Tree Industries is a proactive, protective, and aesthetic way to protect your home at a very reasonable cost. The Universal Bracket Cover is a simple but revolutionary way of proactively protecting homes with old satellite dish mounts on their roofs from the likelihood of costly leaks. Made from thermoform plastic, the Universal Bracket Cover is a cost-effective, durable, and aesthetically pleasing way to cover these universal mounts and to protect a roof in the process. When installed, the Universal Bracket Cover will add the only real layer of water protection without any form of roof penetration. To learn more, visit us at universalbracketcover.com.